Hi everyone, welcome back to my cross stitch channel. My name is Leslie. Today I received my package in the mail and it came from Russia, and I wanted to show you what I've ordered. So I'm gonna open it up and you will see. So stay tuned. Well, let's take a look at what I have here. This is a kit by Dimensions. I really wanted to order it from US, but I couldn't because I couldn't find it. But I did manage to find it on a Russian website, and I thought I would buy it. But the problem is it's more expensive for me to order from Russia than from US. This is what it looks like. This beautiful majestic peacock. The floss. And this is, I think this is 14 count Aida fabric, ivory. Beautiful. Next one. This is also by Dimensions. And I really like this picture because it has so many colors, and I love cross stitching with a lot of different colors, especially if they are bright and very vibrant. And this has like a baby pale blue 16 count Aida fabric. And this is an organizer. This is made in Russia and it's handmade. It's made of wood. And I thought that this would be very heavy, but no, this is very light. And I think that if you take care of this organizer, you will be able to use it for a lifetime. And you can write your symbols on a piece of paper, and you can put it here and slide it under this plastic thing. And it also has holes for needles. So I'm very pleased with this one. Let me know what you think about it. And let me know what you think about these two kits. Which one did you like? Which one do you want me to start cross-stitching first? Maybe some of you have already cross-stitched one of these. Let me know. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe because there's so much more to come. And I hope you have a great day, great week. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!